Yeah, hello friends. Yeah, today is another brand new day. So our objective today is we are going to work on input function in Python. Input function in Python. Let me write it down. Input function in Python. Yeah. So on input function in Python, we are going to start with what? Basic input in Python. Basic input in Python. Okay, on basic input, that's the exercise. So what are we going to do? We are going to start with name. Okay, name. So on name, we wanted to input, to give a privilege that when we say okay, input name, the user can input name. Okay, say input as you enter name. That is where the user will enter his name. Then we have print hello, print hello name. Print hello name. Are we there? Yes. So that is the first exercise. Now let us print and see how is it going to function. Now you come by the right hand side, and you see, click enter, click on it, it's going to print. Okay, now we have after running the program. At this point, this is what has come in. Enter your name. So the user have to enter his name. So okay, let me enter my name. My name is Beneza. You can enter your own name. This is my name. Don't enter my name. Enter your own name. When you enter the name, you click enter. Are we there? When you click enter, what did they say? Say hello, Ebenezer. Now, how is it like? We ask him name equals to input. Enter your name. Are we there? They will say print hello. The name now. The name is Ebenezer. I will enter there. Okay, what if now we don't fit here? Enter your name. Will it work? Let's see. Yes, we run it. Are we there? This is our console is showing that there is something, but the user will not understand if you don't write it, if you don't tell him to do so. So you give order to the user. Hey user, I want you to enter but your name. So that's why you write enter your name. Are we there? Because now at this point it is blank. We don't know if it is our name or what is required. But if we enter our name, it will still go. Are we there? See now, say hello Ebenezer. But at that point, there was no signal that he is telling us to enter by our name. That was the reason. So it is more advantageous or preferable for always write what you want the user to do. Always give the information that you want the user to do. Okay, now let us move forward. The second one is numerical input. Let's move for numerical input. On numerical input, we say okay, age. Are we there? Age. You have integer. And we will convert the age to integer. Input. Integer input. Then we say enter. Enter your age. Are we there? to enter your age, you will say print your you are comma age, comma, then the bracket years old. Are we there? So we say age. Okay, there's a place there will be an error. Age equals to, because there was an underline, so we're looking where there was an underline. So age equals to, at that point my hand mistakenly did bed shift and plus, so give me plus. So age equals to integer. So here this code we use integer because we wanted to convert the string to integer, so we use integer, int, mean integer. We have done that in the last lesson. So if you haven't understand on how to conversion of from string to integer, you make sure you watch the last lesson. Okay, yeah. Now you say print age. Yes, that's it's telling you if you this age. So let us print and see. Yes, let us cancel here. Okay, now you say enter your age. I say okay, my age is 30. Enter. Okay, you say you are 30 years old. Yes, so it's telling you now you are 30 years. So if you enter but 25, it's going to tell you you are 25 years old. Yes, so you give the command, then everything move. So now you are the programmer, you give the program for the machine to obey. So say, hey Python, I want you to help me for this assignment, and Python will do it for you. Okay, now let us move also on exercise 3, multiple input. Multiple input. Now we say name is equals to input, enter your name. Yes, age is equals to integer, input, enter your age. Enter. Then you have print hello name, hello name. I'm going to print this name. We have print you are comma age, comma your age years old. Are we there? So when you write this program now, what is the program saying? You want you should enter his name. After you enter his name, his age, so it's going to print his name and his age. Okay, that is the two options, name and age. So let us run the program. Before doing that, let us cancel here the previous one and run the program. So we have run the program. Say enter your name. You tell the user enter your name. Say okay, my name is Wansa. My name is Wansa. Enter. Say enter your age. Say enter your age. Say okay, my age is 45. Enter. So you say hey, hello Wansa, you are 45 years old. You see now. So it is just to play. This is very important and very nice. Yes, You use it for your leisure time to play. You can run a program to play. Yes, if you know how to do this thing, even a game you can. So after when we must have done everything on, there will be time that we are going to run also games. Okay, now the last one we have the number 4, using the inputs in a calculation, right? Using input in calculation. Using input in calculation. Using input in calculation. Okay, now let's say learn and calculation. Let's say we want to calculating area. Our objective is calculating area. We say len is equals to float. Now float, when I fit float, obviously I want it to convert now from string to float, so that is why I'm feeding float. So float input, I will enter the len of the plot. I want to calculate area of the plot. Say enter the len of the plot. I will enter the len of the plot. We have width, float, we have width, float, yeah, float. We have input, input. I have enter the width of the plot. Enter the width of the plot. Then now let us, the second part, let us print. We have print, yeah, or we have area. The formula now, area is equals to what? Len times width. Area equals to len times width. Tap enter. And from there you print. You print the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is area of the rectangle is area. Area of the rectangle is area. So now let's cancel this down part. Okay, our objective here is for us to print the area. Yes. Let's check. Okay, there's something here. When we see this thing line here, there's something we have to come here and give a comma. Okay, it's okay now. Now let us come here and print. The first thing is enter the length of the plot. Are we there? The length of the plot. Let's say it is 3 meters. Enter. They say enter the width of the plot. Let's say the width of the plot is 8 meters. Click enter. They say okay, the area of the rectangle is 24 meters square. Are we there? So now Python has then the formula that we give to him, that area is equals to length times width. So he has used the area, the length times the width to give us what? Our area of our plot. Are we there? It is so easy. Yes. So the issue there is just for you to understand the concept. When you understand the concept, you will not have any problem. And this is just the difficult tasks. The other section, they are not really that difficult that way. So the only part is just for you to understand how it works. That's all. As you are going ahead, it will become a bit easier. So the issue is the base. Okay? Yes. So today we have come to the end of the program. Yes. So make sure you subscribe for the upcoming video. In the future, we will be working with project. After when we must have done with all the Python, then we are going to do about 3 or 4 machine learning program. Then there are some projects that I've already aligned. I have about 8 series of projects that can earn you money, that we are going to do it. So stay tuned. Okay? Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.